Are you on the hunt for the perfect camera to step up your vlogging? Curious about which camera might best suit your needs and style? Well, you've come to the right place. Choosing a camera can be quite the challenge. Do you know what factors to consider to determine which model is best for you? Is video quality more important, or is portability a priority? Perhaps the sound quality or extra features will sway your decision. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and GoPro Hero 11 Black cameras to help you make an informed choice. So, if you're ready, let's embark on this exciting journey of exploring these fantastic vlogging cameras together. By the way, I'm constantly working on improving my videos to deliver the information you need in the most efficient way possible. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you appreciate the content. First up, let's take a closer look at the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. This compact and powerful camera is tailored for vloggers and content creators, offering high-quality images and professional audio recording. Let's delve into its features. The Sony ZV-1 Mark II is designed with vloggers and content creators in mind. With its built-in microphone and audio input, you can achieve more professional audio recordings by connecting an external microphone. Additionally, its fast and precise autofocus ensures consistently sharp and clear images. Its side flip-out screen and touchscreen make it user-friendly, while Sony's color science delivers natural and vibrant colors for realistic and impressive results. Furthermore, its advanced image stabilization feature eliminates shaky and blurry footage. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily transfer files wirelessly and even control the camera remotely. Now, let's move on to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This portable camera stands out with its excellent image stabilization feature and intelligent shooting modes. Let's dive into its features. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 impresses with its ultra-portable design. Despite its small size, this powerful camera offers perfect image stabilization thanks to its 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring steady and stable videos even during action-packed shots. Its intelligent shooting modes adapt to various shooting conditions automatically, allowing you to create impressive videos. With its built-in microphone and audio input, you can also enjoy high-quality audio recording. The DJI Mimo app enables easy control and editing of your shots. Additionally, it offers various camera modes, including manual mode, panorama mode, and time-lapse mode. With its active track feature, the camera can even track moving subjects for dynamic shots. Lastly, let's take a look at the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This rugged and waterproof camera is ideal for adventure enthusiasts, offering high-quality video and photo capture features. Let's explore its features. The GoPro Hero 11 Black stands out with its durable and waterproof design, perfect for capturing your action-packed adventures. Its built-in touchscreen allows for easy control of your shots. Moreover, its advanced image stabilization feature ensures clear and steady footage even in dynamic environments. With voice control and audio input, you can capture high-quality audio as well. The GoPro app enables easy editing and sharing of your shots. Additionally, with the Time Warp 4.0 mode, you can create dynamic videos with time-lapse effects. What a journey it's been, right? Today, we've explored the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and GoPro Hero 11 Black cameras, delving into each one's features in detail. If you're still undecided or have any lingering questions, feel free to reach out to me. Remember, stepping into the world of vlogging is a courageous move. However, with the right equipment, this journey can be incredibly enjoyable and exciting. I wish you the best in finding the camera that suits you best and pursuing your passion. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm here to keep you updated on the latest developments in technology and vlogging. Thank you all, and until the next video, take care.